Our favorite Zoom keyboard shortcuts. While it's been extremely successful over recent weeks and months, Zoom isn't very user-friendly. There have been a lot of conversations in our household, and with contacts, about how to do pretty much everything in Zoomland. And it's no surprise, this is a business-orientated tool that's been thrust into the limelight and repurposed for pub quizzes and random wine-orientated catch-ups everywhere. Keyboard shortcuts can take a bit of the pain out of using Zoom, since you often do things repeatedly, like muting and unmuting your microphone. To that end, we've selected only the most useful shortcuts here, ordered by operating system for ease. You can reassign shortcuts in your Zoom desktop client for PC or Mac. Click your profile picture, then Settings, then Keyboard Shortcuts. The best Zoom keyboard shortcuts for Windows. Space push to talk, temporarily unmute yourself while you're talking. Alt+V, start, stop video. Alt+A, mute, unmute audio. Alt+M, mute, unmute audio for everyone except host for the host only. Alt+F, enter or exit full screen. Alt+H, display, hide in meeting chat panel. Alt+U, display, hide participants panel. PageUp, PageDown, scroll between gallery view pages on screen. Alt+F1, switch to active speaker view in video meeting. Alt+F2, switch to gallery video view in video meeting. Alt+Y, raise, lower hand. Alt+Shift+T, screenshot. Switch to portrait landscape view, Alt+L. The best Zoom keyboard shortcuts for macOS. Space push to talk, temporarily unmute yourself while you're talking. Command+Shift+A, mute, unmute audio. Command+Shift+V, start, stop video. Command+Shift+N, switch camera. Command+Shift+F, enter or exit full screen. Command+Control+M, mute audio for everyone except host for the host only. Command+Control+U, unmute audio for everyone except host for the host only. Command+Shift+W, switch to active speaker view. Command+Shift+W, switch to gallery view. Control+P, view previous screen in gallery view. Control+N, view next screen in gallery view. Command+Shift+H, show, hide in meeting chat panel. Command+U, display, hide participants panel. Option+Y, raise hand, lower hand. The best Zoom keyboard shortcuts for iPadOS. The range of shortcuts for iPadOS is a little more limited and, unfortunately, there's no push to talk with the space bar. Command+Shift+A, mute, unmute my audio. Command+Shift+V, start, stop my video. Command+Shift+H, display, hide chat. Command+Shift+M, minimize meeting. Command+U, display, hide manage participants. Command+W, close the front window.